Welcome back to the TheOlympusSky. I was not quite sure if I should throw this on YouTube or not, because yeah, I'll be throwing some speculation in here, and I'll be showing you some definitely some weird shapes that shouldn't be there. So as you can see, let's start off from scratch here. Let me show you. You might have seen this page already in the past. I did a video called Mars Blue Sky and just threw some things in that video which I thought that didn't make sense. Now there are a lot of things that don't make sense, even on this page alone. You can just check it out. And I always use this page as to show people, hey, look, an atmosphere. Well, I think this image is from 1999, somewhere there. But Mars has global warming as well, and the temperatures are rising there. Supposedly that's why we can see such a thick atmosphere here, which is spectacular. It's an amazing image. We just go to this image. Like I discussed in that video, it's a really old video, don't have to watch it at all, not that interesting video. But yeah, I mean, you can see it changes color all the time. Some images look really like CGI. You know, I guess you can see Mars digital image model, etc. When you go on Google and you type in Mars, this is what you see. And it's like no image of Mars is the same. Alright, anyways, let's jump into the image. It's quite different because, of course, I've been enhancing an entire planet here. And the reason for that, I basically started out, of course, with the North Pole. Which, yeah, I think that's the strangest thing I've ever seen. After the hexagon, of course. Where was it again? On Jupiter or Saturn? Don't remember exactly anymore. But of course, it's an interesting image. You've probably checked it out for yourself, the hexagon. And let's check this out. Now, we have a bit of sharp eye here. Yeah, let me duplicate layer again. As you can see, I'm a backup junkie completely. Now, keep in mind, all I'm doing here is speculating. I'm going to speculate about the North Pole, and we're going to pull out some shapes. Now, I'm going to show you one of these shapes here. Is if you look closely, let's zoom out, you can see that there is like a diamond shape here. So, in a moment, we'll enhance it, and I think this is so strange. I mean, it's huge, and it goes in a diamond shape, as you can see. There are some couple of brighter lines here that make it seem like a diamond shape. There is a hidden ginormous triangle. Who knows how big that thing is? And we'll just jump over to the enhanced image right now. Alright, hit this, hit next. Now you can already see like this diamond shape here popping out. Now if I zoom in really badly here, you can still see it's even the faded out corners here are very... You still see that they are connected, let's put it that way. But this thing really caught my eye. As you can see, there is a triangle here. Now, let me know what you think at the end of this video, because hey, that's why I'm throwing out the video, to see some interesting comments here, to see what you think about this. Also notice this weird thing. There's kind of, it's strange, I tell you, and then it kind of curves like this. And now, of course, I've enhanced the image quite a bit, so there are indeed some artifacts here, but the things here that I've pointed out, they are definitely there. That's a darn triangle there, right there, and it's big, there's something here. A couple of lines just don't make sense at all. Now, back to the diamond. Now, they haven't really overboard here, but if it's not clear now, well, I don't know what to do then. But look at it, see? And it's fascinating, at least to say. You can see here, it makes kind of like a corner, it goes like this. Now, who knows what that is? But it's definitely fascinating, and the triangle is now even more apparent than before. Now that is really interesting. Also, this area here, something's going on there, not sure what. Of course, we can't be sure. Now, what about the North Pole then? What the hell are you talking about? Are you out of your mind? Yes, I am. A bit out of my mind, I guess. But hey, at least I have the balls to stand up, right? And I think this kind of deserves more attention, but I'm like really struggling to find some proper images of this. Now the most interesting part about the North Pole is I'm gonna draw it out for you. It goes like this, and you can see, and there's some kind of wall ridge. Seriously, if that's a crater, I have no idea, but it almost seems like it's spinning and then going inside of the planet or whatever, because I can't say, no matter how much I enhance it, I can still see a line going like this, if this is going inside, if this is, I mean, if this is a solid, or if it's maybe some kind of weird clouds, maybe. I have no idea what's going on there, but I would definitely like some advice here, some comments, maybe some valuable links here with information so I can study this up, because I'm literally looking at this for months now, because this is such a fascinating image. Yeah, you can see it here again, right? And this thing. Now, this is also very strange, because you can see two lines here, two arch lines. There's another line here, and I've seen them many times in different pictures, but like only in pictures I found here. And later on it's probably disappeared. I have no idea what's going on, but it is very interesting. Now let's sharpen just a bit up here. See, like two arches going inside the middle here, and it doesn't look like it's solid. It almost looks like it's going over the ridge, but then when you go take a look at different images, it's yeah, see, it doesn't go over the ridge. Nevertheless, the whole North Pole is very fascinating here, and definitely because of this image here, which just shows that there's like a ridge here, and like I've drawn out here, it's strange. It doesn't make sense. Now I think I'll put this extreme edition on my Google Plus this one, so you can just check it out for yourself. The triangle is definitely interesting. That was actually the whole point of the video, and of course, you know, just asking here if anyone knows anything about what's going on with North Pole here. If you have some nice images which I can look at, or some interesting information, as I said, and I also promise like there will be like spectacular video today and everything. I'm working hard on it. I should say. But yeah, I have to postpone it to, I think, tomorrow. If we'll be lucky, we'll be able to post it. It will be something different, and I hope you like it. I mean, it's kind of a surprise there. It has never been done before on YouTube, but most of the things that me and the other friend channel, Mars Anomalies and Mars Mask do, hasn't been ever posted on YouTube. I mean, we're quite different, especially because me and Chris from the Mars Anomalies channel really, you know, pull things out, take our time to dissect an entire image. And I really enjoy the channel. Thank you so much for your positive feedback. As always, leave a thumbs up for the other people to see that we're a growing force, and that's really important. I hope you enjoyed the video, but this is kind of more of a video of boot your mind up. There's something going on, and I would really like to get some information on this as well. I've tried, but unfortunately I'm not satisfied. Basically, I'm never satisfied, but do let me know, and I'll leave this link, official link, in the description, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Check out our other videos, and thank you so much.